This is the story of an unforgettable, adrenaline-filled adventure I went on with some friends of mine in the Peruvian jungle. On the first day of our thrilling expedition, we started by donning our biking gear with great anticipation. Our experienced tour guide prepared us for moment and challenge. The majestic mountains towered above, their peaks kissed by wisps of clouds. As we navigated the rocky paths and hairpin turns, we felt the thrill of the journey coursing through our veins. After a morning filled with heart-pounding descents and challenging climbs, we left our bags and had lunch before we traded our bikes for rafts. With paddles in hand and life jackets securely fastened, we embarked on the next leg of our journey. As the river carried us through breathtaking gorges and verdant valleys, we marveled at the raw beauty of our surroundings. With the sun sinking low on the horizon, we pulled our rafts ashore. Exhilarated and invigorated, our exploration continued on the second day as we ventured deep into the lush jungle. We took a break to wrap ourselves in traditional Peruvian garments. We continued our exploration as we ventured deep into the Cusco high jungle. We came, we saw, we conquered. We prayed and threaded carefully along the famed Inca trail and its steep and dauntingly narrow steps. Adrenaline, fresh air, and the stunning beauty of our surroundings led us to a delicious lunch before our adventure saw us crossing several rivers, which eventually took us to a hidden oasis. Up in high spirits to a hearty breakfast on the third day, before we soared through the treetops, feeling the rush of wind against our faces and the exhilarating freedom of flight. With sturdy boots laced up and backpacks filled with provisions, we ventured forth on a trek towards Aguascalientes and a tasty dinner, following the winding path that led us ever closer to our destination. Our journey culminated in a visit to the awe-inspiring ancient city of Machu Picchu. It was hard to put into words the feelings we shared. We could only smile to each other while gazing in unison at the wonder on display. With hearts full of memories and spirits soaring, we boarded the train home, our minds buzzing with tales of our epic journey through the Peruvian Andes. Don't miss out on what we experienced.